Good morning, dear students. Today, our topic of discussion is relative importance of agriculture, industry, and services sector in the growth and development of Indian economy. As we all know that in Indian economy, we divide our economy into three basic sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary sector, and each and every sector has a very much important impact and very much important role in the growth of Indian economy. But one very important thing is that all these sectors are interrelated, means each and every sector depends upon each other. No sector can individually impact and have any role in the economic development and growth of our country. As we know, India is predominantly depend upon agriculture sector, means primary sector that includes agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing. So this sector contributes still a lot in the employment and GDP of our country. At the time of independence, our dependence upon this sector for our employment needs was nearly 60 to 70%, and its contribution in GDP was also very high, nearly to 66%. But now it comes down, and now for the share of GDP of agriculture sector is merely 16%, and this is not the indicator of disadvantage, means it is an indicator of advancement, that we are now a developing nation. We are not dependent upon agriculture sector. Then comes employment. As I earlier said, in the year 1950-51 we depend very much on the agriculture sector for the employment needs, but now we depend very less. Only 16% of the population employed in agriculture sector. Now the interdependence of agriculture and industrial sector. As I said earlier, that no sector can develop with the help of another sector. For example, agriculture offers raw material. It gives labor at relatively low wage rate to the industrial sector. Agriculture sector offers market for the expanding industrial sector, and also industrial sector produce capital goods like tractor, threshers, harvesters that can be used by the agriculture sector. So both the sectors depends upon each other. And with respect to trade, agriculture is very much has a very much important role in exporting jute, tea, coffee, spices, and especially fertilizers, harvesters, threshers. These are the notable import items. So agriculture has a very respective role in the trade, import and export. So generally it exports raw materials. Now we come to the agriculture and transport. So as we know, transport belongs to the services sector, and it flourishes with the growth of agriculture sector, as we transport our food grains from one state to another through the roadways, railways, and interstate transportation means. So next is agriculture and savings. Yes, the surplus generated in agriculture sector when invested can lead to capital formation, and that is important for the economic development of a nation. And then comes agriculture and supply of wage goods. It means agriculture provides food to billion millions of people and also fodder to the cattle feed. Similarly, it has a very social and political significance. So, if we are prosper, if we are able to feed the people living in our country, then definitely we release the pressure on the other sectors of the economy. So this is, my dear students, for today we read what is the impact of agriculture sector on the economic development and how it is related to industrial and services sector growth. Thank you.